Underwear on the
scan.
I shit on him quick!
Whoa. No. No.
I don't miss a shot, bro. Yo, we're cracked. We're cracked. No! No!
No! I hit a
I don't
guy
think
90.
you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Guy. Look at you.
Woo! Yeah.
Are they dead? This guy on top is dead. I scanned.
Is your birthday October, November?
Almost cracked that octane. Ouch. I'm just getting sniped. Hit him 81.
Holy crap! That's a lot of damage!
Like, oh my god. This gun sometimes is just like... Cracked. Yeah, I'm not killing him. Well, now he has to run to us. Heal! Well, bud, I love you, but heal me.
Oh my god!
Wow. I'm scanning.
If you want some, I'll give it you. You want to do it, mate?
Get up here. Yeah. And in the front of the train, dead.
That guy is fucking cheating! He's cheating!
Yep. They're just pinching. It's so frustrating. One. Yeah, I've this charge rifle is pretty bad, but it's actually not too bad as long as you can, like, the 369 12 damage is just useless, but the N one is pretty good. Over there. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can charge rifle the people in the train.
I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch.
They have a thing in the front. Ouch. Over here. Cracked the. Nice.
Oh, nigga!
I might die.
Man, I'm dead.
Yep, I'm dead. I almost cracked the Bloodhound. In the front. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. You guys got this. I'm pretty sure it's that Octane. What happened? Did you capture or did he? Oh. Wait, that's the skin that I have. Yeah, that charge rifle doesn't do a lot of damage sometimes, but when it does do damage, it's a lot of damage. Oh!
Oh my god!
The funny part is, look, he only dealt like 400 and 500 more damage than us.